Now it's time to fold the button-down business shirt, and I'm going to call this your Wall Street fold. Shake it out. Make sure it's wrinkle-free as much as possible. And then button it down. This is just going to help us fold the shirt more efficiently. And of course, these shirts are useful for men and women, so the fold is going to be pretty much the same. That way, when you store it, it'll be nice and neat. When you unfold it, it'll be nice and neat. And when you wear it, it'll be what? Nice and neat. So finish your fold, finish your buttons all the way down. Even if it seems tedious, you want to make sure you get it done. And then go ahead and shake it out. And let's place it where the buttons are down this time. Now for this Wall Street fold, we're going to check all the cuffs. Want to make sure they're in order. And button those too if the button already exists. Check your other side. Fold it. And button it up. So you see it's going to be some consistency here. And a little bit of repetition. I want you to take it, press it out just a little bit so it can be nice and straight. And bring that sleeve inside. Press it down. And bring the other sleeve inside. And press that down as well. Now with the neat organization of this, it's a thin material, so we don't need a bunch of folds because it's already going to take up a small amount of space. So take the bottom to the top, press, and then take it in half, fix that collar, press, and you are complete. Your Wall Street fold for your button-down shirt.